Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit Card. Let's select Loyalty and select Loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go further and select Gift Card. It's similar to Loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes. Last card you can add is Transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.